Hey everyone, I wanted to give you an update about Eden. Um, so, first of all, thank you so much for supporting our journey. It's been a very hard year. Um, for people who doesn't really know what's happening, our baby boy was diagnosed at 6 months with a very aggressive form of brain cancer. We spent this year 6 months in the hospital with, after that, radiation. After that, we went to trial in Boston. So we just stopped the trial, and he was diagnosed with ATRT, which is a very terrible disease. Basically, we had two hard scans where things are not going the direction that we wanted to go. And yeah, just want to let you know that, yeah, we're trying to do what we can. They don't really know what to do anymore. Trying a few things. We're trying to do a few actions that might still save him, but the odds are very, very slim. So yeah, it's been a very hard year, but I do want to thank everybody for supporting and commenting and emailing and helping out in different ways. It's likely that that next year would not be easy for us, but we'll see what happens and we'll figure it out. It's interesting. It's so hard, and one of the only things that makes it easier is to be in the moment, which is interesting because we in the channel we talk about it, about listening, about music, and I think that's the goal. It's not really easy. Right now he's still feeling very good, but it's very likely that according to what they see, and the disease is back and not in a good way. And yeah, it's hard to, whenever you think about the past or the future, it's very hard at the moment. It's only if you are with him right now, he's doing great, but we know it's likely that something is going to happen very soon. So, being in the moment is what we're trying to do. Yeah, difficult here, and that's also the reason that I haven't been posting, creating as much. And yeah, we'll see how we can do things, hopefully soon-ish. But I just want to say thank you for being a part of this, and I hope you can enjoy the moment, be in the moment as much as possible. And yeah, music is a great tool and a great thing to do, to be in the moment and to appreciate the moment, I think. So yeah, it's a harsh update, but we're still trying a few things, so praying for, or hoping, wishing for a miracle while understanding that might not happen. So, thank you again for being a part of this and being here and supporting. And I hope soonish I will be able to create more things and be more active. And want to still wish you a very, very happy holidays and very happy New Year. And I hope you can enjoy the moments and hug your family and your loved ones. So, thank you again. I'll see you soon.